Another dua that we can say that declares the oneness of Allah is that we say, Allahumma inni auzubika minal kufri wal faqr. And here, we're not just declaring the oneness of Allah in this dua, we're also asking Allah that, oh Allah, protect me from disbelief. Protect me from ever disbelieving in you, rejecting you, being ungrateful to you, not being conscious of you. Allahumma inni auzubika minal kufr. What is it that you ask Allah to protect you from? Something that is very dangerous. Kufr is dangerous. Wal faqr. Ya Allah, protect me from poverty also. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min adhab al-qabr. Oh Allah, indeed I seek refuge with you from the punishment of the grave. La ilaha illa anta. There is no God worthy of worship but you. And this dua is among the duas that we say in the morning and the evening, 3 times each. In the morning and in the evening. And it's interesting, we're asking Allah to protect us from disbelief and from poverty. Because poverty can also be very dangerous for a person. Sometimes because of poverty, a person ends up earning haram. A person ends up committing theft. And recently, where I live, there's been, this in the news that there are people who are stealing donation boxes from different mosques because they know that, these days, donation boxes are full. People go to the masjid a lot, they give a lot of charity. So there are people who are literally going masjid to masjid and stealing donation boxes. And I'm wondering, what kind of hard-heartedness is this, that a person in the month of Ramadan, in the days of fasting, in the nights of prayer, they're going to the masjid to steal? Why are they doing that? Perhaps it is greed for money. Perhaps that greed is coming from a place of extreme poverty. Who knows? We should ask Allah to protect us from poverty, because poverty can put a person in fitna. It can lead a person to haram. It can lead a person to many sins. So ask Allah to protect you from kufr and faqr.